Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear. No fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Day payouts. Yeah. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed might. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring.
Yo, what's up? What's up? What is going on? Party people. Let's go. Real robot in the house. What's up? How's it going? What's up, guys? Sorry, a little bit behind. Market's open. What's up, Daryl? We got Toy in the house, Song in the house, TCG. How's it going? Adele, SJP, James, Crypto King, Martez, what is up? Tony, I am Bruce Lee, Trader 007, what's up? Design in the house. We got Corey, we got Real Robot saved. I know, I was a little bit running behind. I'm here though. It's Fiber Splice, let's go. Yo, Paul. What is up? What is up? Market's open, guys. Had a monster day today. Absolutely monster day. Yeah. Sloop in the house. What's up? Smash the like button, guys. Liked on both the streams. Let's go. You know what sucks is I think that when we do the giveaway, it's going to have to go over to the mobile section to do the giveaways tonight, but that's okay. So, how'd you guys do today? Coconut water. Yeah, just coconut water. Not the good stuff yet. Not the good stuff yet. Let's go, Martez. Yeah, Corey. Lucid 25Ks. Oh, you locked in the payout with trade day and then blew an eval? That's alright. I blew 2 trade day accounts. Fermented coconut water. Yeah. Spa green, nothing fancy. Yeah. Had just a monster day. Made right around $3,000 in the Take Profit Trader Pro account. So I just took another $1,500 out of this account here. So it's still up to $5,546 total. Anything over 2,000 you can take a daily payout, right? So yeah, they just withdrew as we speak. They just took out another $1,500. Wow. So the market just absolutely ripped lower today. Filled the new week opening gap, as you guys probably figured out already. So we had the new week opening gap down here at right around 260s, 240s, this area here. And came down, filled that, and dropped another 200 points below that. So a little wild. Just getting some things set up still. All right. All right, market's pushing higher here. Let's see if we can get a little pump. Market started to pump towards the end of the day, so it'll be interesting if we still keep pumping. Yo, what's up, his Royal Trades? Donna in the house. Oh no, you blew a TPT funded. Oh, that sucks. I blew one the other day too. That's all right. So I got a Lucid account to give away, guys. A 50K Lucid. Do I know if the Lucid 25K is going to stay like this? I think so. Yeah, for now, I think it's here to stay. We'll see, though. NQD, what's up? Papa in the house. What's up, Design? How much is a flip day on Buellnox? So you only can flip 2 out of the 10 days, right? So, what's up, Tory Trades husband? So, there's no really set amount. The way I understand with Buellnox lately is that they just don't like flip days. So, but supposedly you only can flip 20% of the time. All right, market's still pushing here. Excuse me. All right, up to 25,148. So you basically don't have to make any money on a flip day. No, you don't have to make money on a flip day. You can lose money. Yeah, that's the thing that a lot of people mistake, is that when you try to get trading days in to get a payout, they don't always have to be green days with a lot of props. So just shoot an ounce of coconut oil. Oh, gross. What up? What up? What up? Yeah, I crushed it today. Yeah, I blew 2 trade day accounts, but yeah, I made $3,000. I made a nice little post here on X. So that surely makes up for it for another. 2,866. Not quite 3,000. 2,866. So banger, and they just took out the 1,500. Now I'm seeing if I locked in on that Lucid payout. So 159. Haven't quite updated yet. We'll see. I'm real close to that Lucid payout, so we'll see. Right now I have a 20.24% consistency. It's got to be under 20. So it's right there. What's up? AR-15, Omar in the house. Yeah, let's yeah, so my trading today was kind of crazy and erratic, so it was very discretionary, Cody, to be honest with you. I ended up going short, playing around with these micros. Check this out. Just absolutely just using the candle's momentum. Basically, when the volatility picks way up like it was, I'm basically using candle momentum and trading that. So I actually got caught on this one. I ended up flipping short once we went back up to 500. We went to 500 and rejected. I hopped in heavy shorts on this, actually with NQ as well. I was in some short. And then I closed out my NQ trades, and then I just stuck with the micros. And at that point, I was up like $700-800, and then I just played with the micros all the way down. And once we started moving with momentum, I started scalping in and out, and I knew we were just going to go for that gap fill down in here at that point. So once we went into that gap fill, or started to push towards that gap fill, I went in kind of heavy into the gap fill. And so yeah, a lot of discretionary trading. So yeah, a lot of discretionary trading. What's up, Real Robot? Yeah. In the mobile, yeah. It's all good. I do that and it gets more views and more likes and all that stuff. So I had a monster day, guys. So the last few Fridays, I have absolutely got my ass handed to me. I'll show you the stats. So I might just take it easy. Lost 3,600 on this account last Friday. Lost $7,702 on that account last Friday. And the other account I lost 2. So this account, it's right at payout. So I want to see if I'm under the consistency. So I'm going to be probably taking it pretty easy. We'll sling around some contracts, but the old tradertainment. But we'll see. Papa, I just been trading like shit on Fridays. Yeah, I just been trading like garbage. Yeah, it just hasn't been good. Yeah, for sure. I think I'll his royal trades. I think I have a take profit trader account. Eval I gotta work on. I have a my funded future eval I gotta work on. Trade day evals I gotta work on. So take profit trader, I'll probably take another payout after today. Even though I just took one, and one just hit the bank. I'll take another one. I have absolutely destroyed this account lately. I'm looking to go to Pro Plus again. That's what I want. I want 90-10 split. I want end of day drawdown. I want take profit trader to just automatically move me to Pro Plus every time I pass an account. That's my goal. This has been my goal lately. So yeah, that's what I want to try to do. Thank you, JLD. It's not 500K in a day like Lanto, but I'll take it. Thank you, 007. Yeah, like I said, guys, I did lose 2 trade day accounts in the volatility. I did. Funded ones, but I was really trying to push it. I was up, sucks, I was up 1,000 on one of them. And I had that bias. So when we were pushing down and looking to fill that gap, I had that bias like, oh man, we're gonna fill that gap. And so we started pushing down, and I got trapped on this one right here. I still held, and then I held, and then I added. We filled this gap up here. I added again. Thought we might turn around then. And then I kept holding it, and then the last push up towards the 500 killed my account. So that kind of sucked, but you know, that's kind of the prop game sometimes, and you know, rotating accounts, that's where the advantage comes, from rotating accounts. So be right back, guys. I gotta grab my phone. I'm back. Had to grab my phone. Told you I was rushing. All right, market's push it down here. Nice rejection off that Harami. Pushing down, testing that 25,100. Can't believe we're right back down to the 25,000. So the market bounced at 25,250 or something like that. So they actually front ran that 25,000. So kind of crazy bounce there. Never looked back. Technically, that Harami I like to trade worked pretty good. This one was kind of a failure. That was actually pre-market. Never mind. This one actually worked really well. Let's see. Did we make a new low? This one right here kind of failed. So we made a new low on this Harami here. We pushed back up. That one kind of failed. This one right here didn't highlight purple for some reason. But you can see the body was in the body. It opened and closed within the body of that previous candle. So this actually should have highlighted purple with the indicator, but it didn't. But that was the low of the day. Right at 25,000. So that was the low of the day. So if you went long off that break and then put a stop there, this is all hindsight, of course. But like I've made videos on this and stuff that you guys can check out. But yeah. Simplistic, what is up, Joe? Thank you, Tony Gold. I appreciate that. How many days from request to bank was the TPT payout? So, request to bank. Been a little bit slower lately. Day and a half. Well, here's the thing. I've been trading the account like non-stop, so they kind of wait until the end of the day to see if you blow it. So like, let's say I place a payout request right now, and then I continue to trade the account. They're gonna wait till tomorrow night minimum before they approve the request I make tonight if I keep trading the account, because they want to see if you're gonna blow it or not to get those data, you know, the data in. So it's been about a day and a half. And then another day from the wallet to the bank. So like three days, business days, like 2 to 3 business days from payout to actually in my bank account. Yep. Yep, Ty Gordon. So TPT generally takes around, for me, about 9-10 Eastern time at night before the dashboard updates. She Trades, what is up? Smash that like button, yes. How much of drawdown did I go in today? Probably not much. So I kept scalping Sounds of Nature. So with the micros, I showed it earlier. So I kept scalping down through. Let me switch accounts. So once I had I made a few scalps with the minis. I was up like $500-600, and then I ended up getting caught with some micros down here, looking for some more continuation, and kind of got caught in that. At this point, we put in this 500, and I rejected. I didn't really put on that much risk. I think the most amount of drawdown I was in was probably about 1,000 today. for max drawdown. This was all like winning trades. This was just like adding to the winners, taking some off, adding to the winners, taking some off, like all through this dump here with the micros. And yeah, it really added up very quickly. All right, a bit of a bull flag here, kind of interesting. But yeah, that's why. So here's what I've been doing. So I made a short video about this, but what I've been doing with the Take Profit Trader account, and it's really been helping me psychologically, is I've been over the $2,000 buffer since day one. And then instead of like taking out all the money like I usually do, I left some in there and then I kept trading. Because anytime I dropped below 52,000, which is the buffer, it would put me on tilt, and I would either trade the account until I was either dead, like the account blew up, or I got another payout. It was just like that psychological thing. I just couldn't walk away red on these particular accounts. Other accounts where I have to trade them for 8, 9, 10 days anyway, I tend not to do that as much. But for some reason with these daily payout accounts, it's like I want to get paid every day. So I've been leaving some buffer in it. How much? It's kind of discretionary. I'm just like, well, I'll just take out a little bit here and there. And so that's what I've been doing. And so far it's been working pretty well. You can see the account here. It hasn't updated today to the other 3,000, but day one it made 4,200, day two 2,000, day three 2,300, day four 1,700, then baby gains 365, and then 744, and then today at 2,800 something. So that's what I've been doing, but then not taking out the full amount, just kind of leaving a psychological buffer in it. So just a little trick that I kind of been doing lately. It's just, I don't know, it's helping. If you withdraw full amount over the buffer on Lucid, does it blow your account? No. Not with Lucid, his royal trades. Well, my 150K Lucids, when I withdraw, it leaves me with a crap ton of buffer, because you're gonna make 9,000, you withdraw 3,000, so you're left with 6,000. With the 25Ks, I'm not really sure. For the 25Ks, it might be different. I haven't really looked into them, so that might be what you're referring to. So I haven't traded those yet. I do like the 150K Lucids. Oh, guys, I need 0.01 to get this payout. 0.01%. So I need to make a few shekels. I don't even know what I need to make. $5, $6, $10. TPO Bookmap, what is up? Lock it up? I know. Full port. 15 minis. Here we go. I just 15 minutes. I just need a half a tick. Just a half a tick. It'll be fine. I just took sorry, I just took a little 1 micro long on that to make $9.50. We'll see if that puts me over the buffer. So I had a little 1 micro on there. All right, let's see if we can push up here. 141. Yeah, point right for sure. His Royal, yeah. TJP in the house. Oh, you need $30, man. Yeah, that's a tough $30. Yeah, that's a tough $30. Chris B in the house. I cannot walk away red, then go until it's been bullion funded in eval week for me. Yeah, that's like, I know people are hating on Project X right now. You know, I understand, but that is one nice thing with the daily loss limit lockout. Like if you set that before. Like if you go in here and just set that daily loss limit for, like, you know, whatever you feel like you need it to, like 5, 6, 7, $800, and then just liquidate and block once it hits it, and then lock it for the day. Like that is a lifesaver. It's an account saver. It lets you trade another day, for sure. If you can have a, this is not financial advice, by the way, but if you can have a nice whatever you make during the day, like whatever you average during the day. So say like on average you make like $200, $300, $400, $500 or something like that on average, right? If you can set that daily loss limit to about $500, $600, $700, knowing that if you come back the next day you're probably just gonna make that back, then that's pretty sweet. But when you lose like 3,000, 4,000, like out of an, even if you have an account built up to like, you know, $9,000 like these accounts, and then you take a $3,000-$4,000 hit out of it, or a $7,000 hit like I did the other day, that absolutely destroys the account. You can see right here, this account would have been, I'm working on the third payout on this direct number 3 here, and what happened is, like, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. What happened is that I took a $7,000 loss, and then all week I've built it back up, but it completely blew the consistency because I had to make another $4,500 for a profit target once I took that first payout. So now the consistency is completely blown. So now I just got to keep building it up, hopefully, and then we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, these accounts right here are right at payout. So yeah, King Caesar, I agree with you. Yeah, the lockout button. So yeah, for sure. Corey Nichols. Yeah, Lucid's guys are 50% off. 50% off resets. So use code PINE. For Lucid. And then if you happen to blow it, because you can pass them in one day, not saying, you can use the reset. And like Corey Nichols says, it's about $37, I think, for the 25K to reset. So $37 to reset to 25K. And this is a limited time with that 50% off for the Lucid. So I'm going to fire up the... Setting up the giveaway. We'll get it, at least get it rolling. We're not going to do it till the end of the stream, but so you're going to have to do the giveaway over on the mobile section, which sucks. I'm sorry. It's just the way it's going to be. So if you're not on the mobile, you have to do it over there. There you go. Yeah, that's working. All right, cool. Yeah, it'd be sweet if you're streaming to both and it would work, but is it lagging? Yeah, there's been some issues with YouTube loading lately. I've been noticing it when I'm watching people as well. What's up, Trev? Trev's in the house. You ever notice the rollover on 5 minute lately has been weak? The last 1 minute of the candle, it's annoying. Yeah, I have noticed. Yeah, top of the range so far, yep. Let's check out the gold. What's gold up to? Gold pretty flat tonight so far. Nice drop on gold at lunchtime. Absolutely rug pulled, kabooshed down to the bottom here. NASDAQ pulling back. 151.75. Giant range, basically, we got going on right now. Let's see if we can break out of this. Today was definitely the sell the buy the rumor, sell the news day, right? So last night the rumor was, or kind of was, so market pushed higher, right, on the opening, or pushed up on the opening of the government, and then today sold off. So it's kind of that classic, right? Cameron Fisher, how did I do in the market today? I absolutely destroyed the market today. Yeah, made the market my bitch. Loved it. Loved it. Wanted more, but hey. The battle is you versus you. Overconfidence kills, ego kill. Yeah, 100%. Financial capital more. 100%, King Caesar. That's the thing. Market will humble you. I got people that come in here all the time and tell me how much money they made. I see it on Twitter sometimes too. And then the next thing you know, like, they disappear. They're gone. Like, you gotta, the market will humble you. That's the nice thing about trading with prop firms for me, is knowing that if I do go on tilt that day, then, you know, I lose the account. Let's go. Payout, guys. Another one. That's 3 Lucid payouts for 3,000 each. So right here, you can see I just got under the consistency. 19,000 or 19.99%. I can't speak. I'm so excited. I traded this account for 15 days. I kept getting close and kept blowing it. I'll show you the account. Here it is. So here's the account here. It's a little hard to see if you're watching on mobile. So you can see right here, I've been trading it for 15 days. 2 Fridays in a row, I hit max loss, basically. So 3,900. 2 Friday on the 31st. And then another 3,600 on the 7th. So 2 Fridays in a row, I hit max loss. Kept getting close, but just couldn't quite do it. But I finally pushed it over this week. So the max loss in the daily loss limit, I should have kept my own daily loss limit, but at least the daily loss limit kept me from blowing the account. So now it's at payout, right? So you can see the equity curve was a little bit, but 63% win rate, 0.89%, 0.89 R&R. Oh, that was for the, that's for this month. But yeah, that's usually what I average, right around 60 to 70%. Pretty close to a 1-to-1. It's usually what I average. So yeah, pretty happy. Let's go. Do they have same day payout? They don't have same day payout, Forex Edge, but tomorrow night when it loads, they have instant payout though. So it's literally instant. As soon as I click the button, within 1 minute, it's they pay you out. So it's not same day. But if you do pass a Lucid account, so the so say you pass, because you can pass them in the same day. So like say one of the test accounts, if you pass it, I guess you can activate it the same day, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, I know, Eric. Yeah, for sure. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Kato, had to make 152 to pass my combine, but I blew the account at the open. Oh, no. Yeah. For sure, yeah. Is there a link to the Discord? Yeah, sure. All right, market's back to the VWAP here. 135. Adam Daz in the house. Diggity Daz. There you go, guys. Here's a link to the Discord. Trade the Momo, I agree. When it comes to those big ones, basically you're getting paid to pass the account, pass the eval in a way. You know, the only thing is that you got to stay under 20% consistency. But on a 150K account, that's $1,800, basically. What's up, Coach Fred? Almost missed you up there. Tradeavate's a little buggy for you tonight? Uh-oh. I haven't placed a trade yet, so. Let's go, King Caesar. Adam Daz, I'll be on tomorrow. I'll be on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow with Ash. With Ash Trades. Never met him, so it should be fun. What's up, Nova? All right, market's right back down to the VWAP here. Let's go, Adam Daz. Yeah, guys, come see me tomorrow. I'll be on with Ash. We have totally different trading styles, right? 44 Punisher. We definitely have different trading styles. Max Bill in the house. What's going on? All right, market down here, 25,130. We got gold. Gold right at the VWAP. NQ right at the VWAP. Kind of just diddling in the middle here. Not really seeing too much. Kind of waiting for a move. See if we can break out of this range. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Robert, thank you. Yo, Market Vision. Anyways, I was saying that might be putting, yeah, we can put in an inside bar here, and we'll see. I might take the break, but I don't love it just because we are just chopping in the middle. So I'll take it for, let's see. Just 2 micros. Quick 10 points off that just with 2 micros. Not quite 10 points, but it's 23, 15. I saw it bounce around that 13, so took it. Yeah, King Caesar, Project X. Yeah, that's what I trade Lucid on. Right here. This is Lucid, Project X. It's a little break off that inside bar. Trying to bounce there at the 110s. All right, getting that little bounce. So back before we've, I don't know, maybe a year ago, we weren't having much volatility, and I would back test this for just 10 points. The first inside bar of the Globex Open, and it was pretty profitable. We were around 60-70%. It wasn't like out of this world because the stop goes above. But you're long gold. Good luck. I kind of like it. Off that inside bar, it might actually take off. I kind of like that. I'm already flat. I already scalped out on MNQ. Yeah, I already scalped out. Is Lucid my favorite for direct? Right now, because it's a little bit cheaper than Tradeify. But I do like Tradeify as well. Yeah. I'm waiting for Tradeify to fix my accounts. I have some Tradeify straight to funded accounts that got screwed up from the Project X thing. Well, at least they're supposed to reset them, and they haven't reset them yet. So. Thanks, 44. Yeah, it's just cool. So yeah, when I go on with Ash, it's going to be different trading styles, which is perfectly cool. So we can talk about it both, you know, both accounts or whatever, or both styles of trading. He trades like once a week. You know, I make a trade before I even get out of bed sometimes. But yeah, I mean, I think less is more when it comes to trading, so I do like his trading. All right. Market's pushing down here. What's that gold doing? Is that gold pushing up? Yeah, nice trade. Nice push on the gold. Got that 25,100 to contend to. I wonder if we go down, test that area. But nice rip off the open. This is the opening candle here. Do I watch Raunch? Sometimes. Yeah, usually when I'm at the gym. What's up, Red? Full port challenge. Fred, Lanto pulled out another 475,000 today. Oh man. Trade to Momo. You got 2 live accounts with Tradeify. Nice. Yeah. Some of the firms, the lives are not great, but I want some take profit trader live accounts. Again, I mean, I've been live with them once. It didn't last long, but yeah, I'd like to go live with them again. Have 5 live accounts. They split the money into 2 accounts. Oh, really? Knicks themselves, what's going on? You thought we were going to move up from the news last night? Yeah, it was that classic, like I was saying earlier, is that classic buy the rumor, sell the news type of day for sure. So definitely caught a lot of people off guard. Once we started flushing though, it was just like that new week opening gap from Sunday night right here. It's just like, I don't know. It was a good target, but obviously on the hindsight, right? Didn't know it was gonna happen. All right, NASDAQ looking like it wants to keep pushing down here. We'll see what happens. Just trying to break down below that 110s. How do you get to TPT lives? You either make 10,000 in one day, or right around 15 to 18,000 on an account profit, and they'll look into moving you to live. But the ultimate goal is like with the Alpine Trader and our friend Alfred, who's one of our subscribers, is that if you start taking out so much money from Take Profit Trader, they'll just, when you pass an account, an eval, they'll automatically move you into Pro Plus instead of, so you skip right over the Pro. And that's kind of the ultimate. So like Alpine's like that, and Alfred's has that. Alfred Haywood. Think of Caleb thinking about that 50K rapid on My Funded Futures. Yeah, it's a good account for sure. I'm currently working on another My Funded Futures core account. All right, market's right at 121 here. It's just kind of bouncing around. Terry trades 100 in the house. Terry, I just locked up a another Lucid payout. Check it out. I just got down to, I had to make $9.50 to get it under the 20%, but we did it. Ethan, yeah, I know. You long again on gold, King Caesar? Let's go. Yeah, Terry just got some Lucid payouts as well. She got a Lucid payout and a Tradeify payout. Pretty badass. She likes the 150K direct accounts as well. Full Port Terry. We can talk about Full Port Terry in this on this channel. It's funny as Terry said on My Funded Futures TV, goes, oh, you should see me off stream. I think Tom was saying something about trading one micro challenge or something. Terry's like, oh, you should see me off stream. Which is kind of funny. Cybo Jones in the house. All right, testing that 110 here. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you're over on the mobile section. So you got to be over in the mobile section. The link is to the top of the chat, and I'll bring you over to the mobile section. $5,500, 56. I can withdraw anything above $2,000, so the full amount. So whatever that is, what, 3,546.50, right? Yep, that's what I can withdraw. They just took out another $1,500 out of that account, which is sweet. Holy mochaccino. Terry trades 100 with a 10 gifted memberships. Let's go. Thank you so much. Spence, what's going on? No, Take Profit Trader does not have end-of-day drawdown through the whole process. They switch to intraday after they pass the combine. Yes, they do switch to intraday. Trade Day JWA has end-of-day or static accounts if you choose throughout the whole process. Thank you so much, Terry. Wow. And $100. What is going on? Damn, I gotta get a job over there on My Funded Futures TV. Holy moly. Let's go. Everyone subscribe to Terry Trades 100. The VWAP, the VWAP. ICT, I know you're trolling me. It doesn't exist in ICT terms. The VWAP. Let's go. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to Terry Trades 100 yet on YouTube, I don't know what you're missing. Check out Terry Trades 100. I'm going to put her link in the chat. Wow, Terry's up to almost 2,000 subs. Let's go. Let's go. Terry streams live every single morning. Pre-market. The VWAP. Pre-market. So this Terry Trades 100. Give her a sub. Great trader. Terry full party membership, yes. Nice break off these inside bars, guys. Just dropping here. Sorry, I just a little distracted, but yeah, she's on. She goes live just before she hops on My Funded Futures TV, so it's pretty cool. Yeah. Absolutely crushed. I actually met Terry when she was trading the Ninja Trader tournament, basically. And she was crushing it. She was like in 7th place or something like that. 6th or 7th place. At one point, she was like 1st place in the Ninja Trader tournament. All right, we're coming down here to testing out that 25,100. Bounce right at that psych level there. like almost by the tick there. Just kind of front ran it just a little bit and then bounced. I wonder if NQ actually hit it. Yeah, pretty close. Almost equal lows down there, but not quite. Guys, exclamation point pine in the chat if you want to go over to the other side. We're going to do some giveaways tonight. I got a Lucid account we can give away. We'll do, let's see, what else can I give away? I'm feeling good. We just locked in some payouts. Smash that like button. I wonder if Lucid has what they have flip days or flip days against the rules. Let's see. Let's see, flipping is allowed. Nice. So flipping is allowed with Lucid. So I have this account that I need one more trading day. Maybe two. I don't know if it counted the trading day. So this account right here, I just locked in that another payout. So another $3,000 in payout. So absolutely destroying Lucid. But I need 2 more trading days. But I'm over the buffer, profit target, and I'm under the consistency, sort of. So I just need a few flip days. So yeah, that's 12,000 from Lucid in jeez, I don't know. A month and a half, maybe a month. I'll take that. And the accounts are in good shape too, which is nice. Yeah, I started trading with Lucid in October 13th. So I started trading, the first time I started trading with Lucid is October 13th. So sweet, and I'm only on 6 accounts. So I've only had 6 accounts. So definitely net profitable with Lucid right now. Let's keep that going. Okay. Terry Strong. What's flipping? Basically getting in and out real quick is what's considered flipping. Yeah, so like literally just getting in and out, just counting as a trade. You know, that's the best way. Guys, exclamation point pine over on the mobile side. Let's do a quick giveaway. We're gonna do more than one tonight, I think. Give you guys 1 minute to get over the mobile side. We'll do a giveaway. How frequently do I lose accounts, Simplistic? I lost 2 today. Yeah, so I made 3,000 bucks. I lost 2 take profit trade day accounts. You know, so those cost me 119 bucks a piece. So say 240 bucks. But, you know, made 3K, so you know, it's just it's a win-loss thing. It's just like R and I ROI thing, return on investment. It's kind of how you gotta look at it. Last month I did not do that well. This month, been crushing it. So, guys, smash that like button too. We'll do a quick giveaway here. We usually do them at the end of the stream, but we'll break it up a little bit. Because I'm feeling good. Sale and take profit trader. It's 30, no, what is it? 40% off, no activation fee. It's Pine, all caps. So all capital, Pine, 40% off, no activation fee. So 50K cost you like $100, $109, something like that, for 50K. 50% consistency on the eval. $102. The 100K is $198. Yeah, I gotta go over to the mobile side to enter the giveaway. I'll give you guys till 6:10 here up on this clock, just because it's over there, and then we'll do it real quick, and then we'll do another one. Gary, we're still stuck inside this middle of this 5-minute opening candle here. So I just kind of like made a little scalp or so, but I don't really have a long or short bias at the moment. I kind of feel like we're just kind of stuck in a range. How much average do I make in a month from trading? I don't know. It varies so much. Last month I probably was down like $3,000. This month right now I'm probably up, I don't know, 15,000. You know, so it varies. I pay taxes at the end of the year usually, except if that makes sense, if you know. All right, guys, and close the giveaway. We're gonna do another one though, so don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed. We'll do more than one tonight. I'm feeling good. We're also gonna do one for members only too. Let's do a moose race, guys. Real quick. Let's do a quick moose race. I gotta put my uniform on. Smash that like button too, if you guys don't mind. All right, must be president to win. Here we go. Good luck. Good luck. NQ Attic on the outside here. We're at Crunk Trades. Out to an early lead here. We got Corey, the phone trader, out to the early lead. Corey, don't blow all your gas at one shot here. Let me pause this music here. Here we go. Smash the 1 for the boost. Smash the 1 for the boost. Sorry, we're going to do another one, Little Joe. Now it's time. 10 seconds. You got to go. Three seconds. Ooh, who's it going to be? Oh, let's go. JLD 54. Let's go. Regular subscriber. Love to see that. JLD 54. Congratulations. Who finished last? Pro Trader 2809 finished last. Congratulations, JLD 54. Yeah, let's go. Congratulations. Yeah, he's over there in the mobile side. I see him. JLD 54. Let's go. Starting another giveaway, guys. Gotta go over the mobile side, though. Yeah, JLD 54 is over on the mobile side. Let's go. JLD 54, are you in the Discord? JLD 54? All right, market's right back up to the WeWop. What's up, Vinyl? What's happening? Whew. All right, I gotta take the Moose Race hat off. It's a little warm. Yeah, you guys gotta enter Pine in on the mobile side. So the link's on top of the chat if you want to join over there. Thank you so much, Terry Trades 100, for the $100 and the 10 gifted memberships. Gotta go to the short boss. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. Be nice to be able to have all the chat in one. Do I know how to fix that? No. I do not. Red, message me. Let me know how to fix that. I'm using Streamlabs. I don't know if that's the reason. What's the steps to getting a free account? So I just basically, you either can message me on Discord, or I'll message you on Discord, or the or email, and then I'll you message me on Discord. Let's go. All right, market's pushing up here. Drop below that 25,100, pushing back up. Is this the lumber futures? This is NQ. Yeah, this is NQ. MNQ. So this is the micros. All right, Red, cool. And click the short sleeve. Huh, okay. Yeah, I don't know if I... Alright. Yeah, I'll have to look into that. Red, thanks. Yeah, red candles for sure. That's exactly how it works. Yeah. Yeah, whichever one goes live for sure. Let me see here. All right. Got JD54 taken care of. All right, market's pushing up here. Oh, Rock and Viper. Yeah, I went over my head. They went over my head. Because I'm Pine Tree Trader, then I'm trading lumber futures. Yeah, that went over my head. You know, a lot of people thought that I used Pine Script and traded algos and bots and things with Pine Script, but that is not the case. I just learned. Yeah. It's all good, Rock. I just learned how to run Pine Script. So, all right, we're pushing higher here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold looking like a long there. Nice long down in here. I can't remember who it was, but called out that long. So nice play there. That inside bar. Let's check out the hourly on a Nasdaq, nasty Nasdaq. So I've been looking at the hourly a little bit more lately. You can see like the inside bars and stuff. They do present some nice moves. So use it in conjunction on the 5 minute. I'm thinking that could actually produce some good moves. So I've been looking at the 1 hour a little bit. Right now we are pushing up higher here, 130, 25,130 on NASDAQ. Exclamation point pine in the chat on the mobile side if you want to join the giveaway. We'll do another one. Let's go, honest take. Not hard to smoke some accounts today for sure, honest take. So yeah, congratulations on locking yourself out and walking away. That's the hardest thing. Tuned into D Money for the first time, decent trader. Yeah, Coach Fred, dude, a really nice guy, Fred. Really good guy, D Money. Yeah, I had dinner with him once. Super cool guy and good trader. And the reason why I have the 1 hour chart on my screen, not trading his style, but just kind of looking at the inside bars and things like that off the 1 hour, just a little bit, the outside bars, just but yeah, he's cool. He's a stand-up guy for sure. What's the biggest hurdle for you to overcome in order to start making money day trading? God, I think for me, for the most part, it's mostly just repetition and like just millions of hours on the screen. Millions of hours on the screen. But I said this before, and like I think like now I've kind of gotten to the point where I'm evolving as a trader, and so I don't really look at the accounts so much as like I just want to earn and burn them. I'm kind of like I want to build them up a little bit more. And before, when I first started getting payouts, I would kind of look at them like, well, I'd use the account as my stop loss was like the whole account, and that's the wrong way to do it in my opinion, because that doesn't sustain in a live environment in my opinion. But basically just realizing that when I make a trade, even if it's a funded account, that the money that I'm seeing on the screen is just monopoly money until I get to a payout. So that kind of just takes the nerve off it, right? Because when I get a brand new 50K or whatever funded account and I press that button and I make $100, I didn't really make $100. I mean, I need to get it to a payout first, and then I can make the $100. You know, then it's real money. So like when I get this over the 52,000, then it's all real money that I can withdraw. So then there's a new element of, but yeah, just kind of looking at it like it's monopoly money in a way, until you get to a payout kind of helped me. And knowing that whatever I'm really risking is what I paid for the account. So like just take Profit Trader account, I paid $102 for it, and that's what I really am risking on the account. So I guess that kind of helped me in a way. But it's just psychological. It's not a strategy. You know? I think a lot of people will just say, well, it's because, you know, this certain strategy or whatever. But nah, it's not. It's just psychological. And for me, it's just tougher. It just came tougher. I think everyone's different when it comes to that. Everyone has a different background. You know? I can't trade like Lanto yet. I'm not there. Lance Briefcase, thank you so much for the sub. Like, I'm not at where Lanto is. I can't imagine making $500,000 in a trade. Like I just don't. To me, 200, 300, $400 is a lot of money for a payout, a daily payout. Like that's, I'm still at that point, you know. And it might be another 10 years before I evolve into a Lanto where, you know, I'm taking out 6-figure payouts every day. But I also know that it's possible. I also know that I was probably in the same trade as Lanto, just in micros on the dump when he's in 60 minis. You know, it's the same trade. It's just about sizing up. Like Tom Hugard talks about it a lot, like where he, you know, when you go from, you know, $5 a point to $100 a point, it's crazy. You know, it takes some adjustment. So, yeah, I don't know. I was on a ramble there. Design, what is up? Oh no, Design. Thank you for using my code PINE with Tradeify, though. I appreciate that. Mine was trading in the same way as my personality or view on the life. Yeah. So I don't like feeling trapped, so I tend to wait for traps to happen, then enter my trades. Yeah, for sure, honest take. Yeah, I think when it comes to trading, it's definitely you want to trade the style or the strategy that fits your personality. Like for me, I struggle holding all day. You know, I don't have those diamond hands. I'd rather go large size and then scalp for 10, 15, 20 points. You know, for me personally, like that's kind of how my style is. Like on that push down, I was scalping in and out like a madman. And you can see right here, I was just scalping in and out with these micros on that push down today. But, you know, I still made $3,000 or so. Just controlling my risk, you know, making sure that it didn't go against me. Keeping a stop loss in place, taking those shots, and just kind of, you know, reading the tapes per se and saying, well, I think the market's really pushing down and headed for that gap. That's all we, you know, sometimes you just push the button. Tyson Prosper, we'll get some good traders to make 3,000 test. And let's go, Tyson. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely psychological, for sure. It's definitely psychological. What I do, I'll set up a Rise account to get paid and Wise. Oh yeah, so that's how you control your expenses, Lil Joe? Yeah, for sure. That's a good way. Yeah, it's a good way. A lot of people have, like, not financial advice anyway, like a lot of people have a debit card or something and they only use it for the props instead of having a credit card. And so that way when they're basically building with their own payouts. Alpine did good like that too. Where he would basically just buy props off his payouts, right? What's up, Rancid Capital? Thank you, Smokey. Blew a top step. That's all right. Absolutely ripped today. 29 days. Oh, and ripped. Yeah. It's all psychological for sure. Yeah. That 30 days. 100%. Yeah, 100% Smokey. All psychological. Not because you're trading. You know, your trading's been fire. It's just, you know, in the back of your mind, you're thinking that 30 days and then that one more trade type deal. And Tom Crazy Man, he goes 80,000 on YM, only trades YM. He said, yeah. Tom's a madman. Tom Hugard we're referring to. Best loser wins. All right, bottom of the hour here. Market right back down to the VWAP. So we were just kind of chopping in the middle, guys. You know, you could scalp, take some nice little scalps off this, but right now we're just kind of stuck in a range. Gold is just making a bullish channel, just eating away at the single prints or gaps from the lunchtime drop. Yeah, Caleb, for sure. Yeah, sizing down. Yep. D-Bond up 550 bucks. Let's go. Yeah, I don't want to do anything dumb. I traded. I showed the last 3 Fridays. I had horrible Fridays, and I'm coming off a strong week. Just absolutely crushing it. I do not want to go into Friday or Saturday and Sunday doing something dumb. So yeah, I mean, I'll trade. If I see something I really like, I'll trade this eval, but we'll see. I made 1 trade tonight for about 9 points. Not crazy, but yeah, for sure. Simplistic videos. Yeah. Agreed. Over trading, wanting more. Like, how much is enough, you know? Like, what I got for a payout today is what I used to make in a month, and I made pretty good money. You know, I wasn't rich. I mean, I was a mail carrier. That was the best paying job that I ever had, was being a mail carrier. But I made a good living for my area, but it wasn't. But yeah, that was like a month salary, what I made today, you know. Jack Boom is $100 good. $100 good on a Felinox. Yeah, I would say Jack Boom. That should be fine. They're basically looking for consistency. So like consistency on your contract sizing and things like that. But yeah, you should be fine. Let's go, Achilles. Let's go. Yeah, take profit trade. Getting those daily payouts once you get over the buffer is sweet. So yeah, I'm working on some more. Picked up trade days. Take profit traders today. We are just bouncing off that VWAP. Look at that. Look at that bounce. 124 bounce right there, right off the magical yellow line. Kind of crazy, isn't it? Yep, 2 flip days per payout period. So yep. Three. Visible ID. So I was in 3 minis when I had those monster payout days from Take Profit Trader. Yeah, 3 minis. And yeah, it was quick. And so basically, I was looking, instead of trading like inside outside bars and waiting for them, I was trading on, when we had those big volatility days in last April or whatever it was, I was basically just playing the candle. So when we had the break or any breakup candle that was breaking down or breaking back up, I was just literally trying to catch those moves on that single candle. And even today, that's kind of what I was doing because the volatility was so high on the 5. And I'm pretty good at reading the candles some days. The only problem is like if you're off on that day, then it can beat you up. But yeah, 1 to 3 minis on those big volatility days when I was making, having those 5-figure days. What prop firms am I using mostly? Lately, Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, and Trade Day are the ones that I've been using the most lately. Yeah, just kind of focusing on those ones at the moment. But yeah, if you want to check out my website, propcodeshub.com. Those are the ones I support. I'll put it in the chat there. If I had to choose between a trade day and a take profit trader, which one would I choose? That's a tough question. For one, I kind of hate the trade day evals, but I think that the end of day accounts are, once you pass them, are awesome. I think those are the way to go. If I had to choose, I mean, I guess I'd take profit trader if I had to pick one of the two, just because I really do hate the evals. With take profit trader, it's 50% consistency on the evals. That's a little bit easier for me. Do I not like Top Step? I like Top Step. Yeah, I got a Top Step hat. I got a Top Step hat, Melissa. I got a 5K. I got one of those 5K goofy hats. I'm just not trading with them right now. I think My Funded Futures is a way better deal, Melissa, than Top Step at the moment. And I'm not saying that because it's affiliation. I'm just saying that because, like, it's cheaper. And so the core account with the added flex add-on, where you can withdraw 50% of your profits, just like Top Step, it's only $77 all in cost, and it's 5 days of $100 or more to qualify for the payout. Where Top Step's $150, and Top Step's gonna cost you like over what, $200. So that's just the reason. But I got nothing against Top Step. I think they're great. What's up, Orlando? Yeah, for sure. That's a great way to look at it. Yeah. Wasn't Norm a mail carrier? He was. So was it Newman from Seinfeld. What's the giveaway for? So we're going to give away... so I just gave away the Lucid account. Sorry, guys. JD54 scooped up the Lucid account. But we're going to give away a... I have a Take Profit Trader account I can give away. It's one of my own credits, so we'll give that away. It'd be either a 50K or a 25K, whatever you guys want. Whoever wins, they can choose. Yes, make sure you're all using code PINE. Thank you so much, Fiber Splice. So yeah, guys, just a little PSA. So My Funded Futures used to give you like that 5%, 6% off. Oh, you got to do exclamation point PINE in the chat on the mobile side, guys. Sorry. We don't know, Alexandria. But anyways, what I was gonna say is My Funded Futures. If you guys pick it up a My Funded Futures account, please just take the extra step and put in code PINE. Even though it doesn't really give you a discount anymore, but I will get credit if you use it. So for now. Thank you, Tony Gold. Can you take a TPT traded during the news, Tyson? I think you can, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I don't want to tell you yes and then you do it. I stopped doing that with the news, to be honest, for myself. I've had too many platform issues doing that. For me personally, like if I'm gonna send one, I'm gonna send it during the Open, the New York Open. Not financial advice, but yeah, I like to send them during the Open. But yeah, I don't know. I think they might remove that activation fee. That'll be sweet. No activation fees for the giveaways. His Royal Trades, yeah. So the free accounts, there's no more activation fee, which is sweet. Right, Seller Days, yep, for sure. For the Pro Plus. As far as the eval, but I think the evals, I think you're fine. Most companies, you could trade those evals during news, but just like I said, it's not recommended. But all right, we are breaking down here. NASDAQ. A little outside bar action. Yeah, Team Massive. That is awesome, isn't it? All right, guys. I'll give you guys 2 more minutes. Go over to the mobile side. If you're on the big screen, the link is on top of the chat. Go over to the mobile side. Hit !Pine in the chat. And we'll do another giveaway. Give you guys a few more minutes. But you got to be over on the mobile side. How do you get past the trailing drawdown? So for me, Achilles, I size pretty heavy anyway, naturally. I trade minis mostly when I'm trading. And then I like to scalp, because I'm a scalper. That's kind of what I do. Is I scalp 10, 15 points. So scalping, it really doesn't bother me that much. And then I just trail the stop loss. And that helps me get me over the trailing drawdown. Very rarely do I ever take like 1 to 3 minis or something on a trade with Take Profit Trader when it has intraday trailing, and then get it all in one trade. It's pretty rare. Usually I'm like taking chips at it, like $400 or $500 at a time. But yeah, always grinding. I am on My Funded Futures tomorrow. Yeah, I will not be with Terry. They want me to come on with Ash. So I'll be on with Ash Trades. So a little bit later. Yeah, Mr. Tactical, giving away some of my own accounts. Let's go. Yeah, guys, you got to go over to the mobile side. Try that link there. That'll get you over to the mobile side, I think. Oh, wait. Maybe not. That link don't work. Never mind. Skip that. Yeah, I gotta come over to this. To this side here. Come over here. And then hit !Pine. Boy, kind of a choppy session so far. Just a little stuck in a little bit of a range here. It'll say portrait. It says portrait in the giveaway. All right, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Lobber. Oh, let's go, Lobber. Let's go. Yeah, those are the best trades, right? When you're when you walk away. No emotions. Guys, do me a favor and smash that like button like no tomorrow. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Let's do another moose race here. Good luck, everyone. 2 giveaways tonight so far. This one's for a Take Profit Trader account. 25K or a 50K, whichever one you choose. I'm feeling good. We got some great payouts this week. Thank you so much for the support, being here every single night, hanging out with me, and also using my code PINE. That's why I'm here. Here we go. Good luck. Who's it going to be? We got Bruce Lee up on top here. Always grinding, I see. Zelda Palm up in the middle here. Team Massive pushing his way through. Jimmy T. I see Jimmy T. We got 20 seconds here. Hit the boost. Let's go. 10 seconds. Who's gonna be? 3 seconds. Wow. Who is this? Must be present here. We got Flare on 8. Flare on 8. Are you present? Flare on 8. Congratulations. Let's go. Flare on 8 right there. Dividends for keeps. Which place did you come in? I'll look for you, but let's see. But I'm not going to go through everyone to find out who's what place. Let's see. Well, you're not in 190th place. We got Nate coming in at 194. $238th place. 230th. You're close. You're close. All right, guys. So sweet. Flare on 8. Let's go. All right, let's see here. Dang, I was close. I know. Flare on 8, are you in the Discord by chance? If not, that's fine. You don't have to be. We're gonna do another giveaway too, guys, for members only. We have a lot of members here tonight, so we're gonna do members only. Tick for tick, let's go. Yeah, I do the moose races. I'm from the state of Maine, so thank you so much, Terry Trades 100, for donating 10 memberships and also $100. Yeah, I'll put the link to the Discord in the chat here. There's a link, Flare on. Appreciate that. What's your Discord name, too? Fishing Fool, you want to go up and have fresh lobster? Yeah, come up in the summertime. It is the greatest. Yeah, I don't want to brag, but yeah, I have lobster out on the docks. Probably too often. Maybe 2-3 times a month. When during the summertime. Let's go, Nate. Take that short. Let's go. Yeah, there's a link there, Flare on 8, if you want to join there, and I'll let's go, Big Cat. Congratulations, crushing the referral code. Got 2 more payouts using code PINE. I mean, hey. Can't beat that. How much does just a lobster tail cost in Maine? I don't know how much just a lobster tail. You get like 2 lobsters. 2 lobsters, 2 drinks. Maybe 2 corn on the cobs for like $30. Like all done for you, you know. I did Flare on 8, but I'll do it right here too. There you go. There's a link to the Discord. How'd you manage risk? That's kind of tough with $1,000 drawdown. It's kind of tough, for sure. You know, probably micros, not financial advice, but I'd probably use micros. Yeah, instant payouts with My Funded Futures. Yeah, Lucid too, guys. Instant payouts, we love that. But yeah, I don't know what lobster's going for per pound right now. I'm kind of lazy about it, but. Alright, cool. Thank you, Flare on 8. I'm going to do the... I'll take care of you as soon as I'm done. Flare on. As soon as I'm done the stream. I just need your... I need your TPT email, and do you want the 25K or the 50K? All right, guys, let's do a members only. If I can figure it out here. Thank you guys for tuning in. What a great week for streams. So I'm gonna do it members only, but I'm only gonna do it on the mobile side. So I think I can do that. This is an experiment. There we go. Yeah. All right. Now I gotta set up the moose race. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Members only. Exclamation point pine. You gotta do it again, Koku. The moose is on fire. I know. It's true. $25,110 here. We get the market here. We get golds. Right back at the VWAP gold. A little kind of a boring night for gold. Of course, so over leveraged that you can actually make a few points, but a few dollars, I mean. But Nasdaq pushing down, tested that VWAP after this outside bar, so pretty interesting here. Just consolidating between that 25,100 and the 140s basically, so like kind of like a 40-point range right now. Stuck right in the middle of that first 5-minute candle. All right, guys, let's do it. Let's do. So we got 12 entries in the giveaway for the members only. Thank you guys so much for being members. OC Dog Trainer and Spence, you got to do it over on the mobile side. I'll give you guys just a minute. Go over to the mobile side. Oh, nice job, Big Cat. Hold on, Spence. Spence, I'll just enter you in. I'll enter you in. Let's go. Let's see. I'll just manually enter you. That didn't sound good. Take that back. Rewind that back. I did not mean to say I will manually enter you. This is a family show. All right. All right. These are jokes. Yes, these are jokes. All right, guys. Let's go. Good luck, members. Good luck. We got, who we got here? We got Hitchman, we got Tony Lanez, we got his Royal Trays, we got TJP, we got Spencer, Cuckoo Rushy, we got Cannon Cyber, Intmont Daily, we got OC Dog Trainer, we got Bodine, we got Kevin 005, we got Team Massive. Who's it gonna be? Thank you guys for being members and supporting the channel. Paying that $5 a month keeps me going. And thank you everyone else that uses code PINE. 3 giveaways today. Come on. Thank you Terry Trays 100 for the massive donations. Indian Burn, let's go. Congratulations. We got Cannon Cyber in second, Bodine, let me mute this. Bodine in third, Hitchman, Visible ID, Spencer, Tony Lanez, Team Massive. Let's go. His Royal Trades coming in last. OC Dog Trainer. If you ain't first, you're last, right? Congratulations, guys. Indian Burn. Yeah, cool. You in the Discord, Indian Burn? I'm sure you are. Yeah! There you go. Cool. Alright guys, I'm going to do it there. Guys, smash that like button on your way out. Please use my code for My Funded Futures, no matter what. If you're picking up accounts. Big Cap Futures. 2 eval core counts getting close to passing. Let's go. So great deals going on right now, guys. Lucid. My Funded Futures. Take Profit Trader, of course. 40% off. No activation fee. Use code PINE for all those. Check out my website, propcodeshub.com. Bookmark it. And trade day, Pine with a capital P, or it won't work. So Pine with a capital P for trade day, and that's how I get credit for that. And yeah, Indian Burn, I'll message you here, and we'll take care of I'll send that out, and usually it takes a day or two for Take Profit Trader to get back to me, or to transfer it. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Miss K. What a great week, huh? Just crushed the payouts this week. I'm very ecstatic. I'm going to try to not do anything stupid. Oh, by the way, guys, please come join me on My Funded Futures tomorrow. I'm going to be on with Ash Trades. So come join me with Ash. Never met the guy. Should be fun. We have 2 totally different trading styles. So, hey, we'll talk about it. And so yeah, come show your love, Team Pine, right? And we'll do it. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for the outro. And yeah, it was a fun week. I'll see you guys Sunday night. I'll be here Sunday night for the market open. I'll be here. Have a good weekend, guys. Thank you so much. Peace. Later.
That's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath. It's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight. Coiling for a big move. I'm patient. I'm watching. Got nothing to prove. Wait for the break above or below. That's when I hit the gas. Watch the profit.